How's it going, everyone? Welcome to my channel, DanoK9000. Today we will be opening up a brilliant star booster box. If you're new to my channel, give me a subscribe. That'll be greatly appreciated, and like the video. Let's get into this video of opening it. Brand new box. Just open it now. Let's see what we get. Let's see if we could get the Charizard alternate art. I hope. I have troubles always opening these things. I don't know why. How come people... This one is just being a pain. Let's hope it's good if it's being a troublemaker to me. Oh, there's Electabuzz. Sorry, I'm trying to keep my workstation neat as possible. Alrighty. White border. White border. 1, 2, 3, 4. I go by each picture. I don't do this shortcutting of nothing. I rarely ever open these boxes. I rather just keep them. Torkoal reverse hollow and a non-hollow Snarl. Get some more light over here. I should get on. Let's go. One decent card out of the pack. Not bad. Not really decent, but it's a hollow. I'll take it. Let's see. Oh my goodness. This pack is going to be a hard one. How come some of these rip like there's no tomorrow and some of them don't? Good gracious. Love Pokemon cards, but it's a pain in the butt to open them sometimes. Alrighty. Whoops. Black border. Oh, that card was like damaged. This box was damaged, so that's why I'm opening it. Board to the front. Let's see. Yeah, it was damaged, this box, so focus. We'll focus on this one. Sometimes it autofocuses easy, sometimes it doesn't. There we go. Takes sometimes a little bit too long to get going. Let's see, reverse hollow. Probus, whatever you want to call it. Oh, it's what is it? Ooh, Mary Pride. Not being, let's sleeve her up. Let's sleeve her up. Oops, almost knocked all my stuff on the floor. One good card. One good card so far. It's not the one I want, but we will take it. Let's go. Let's go. Get this done as fast as I can. There we go. This one ripped nice. This one ripped nice. What's that about? White border. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Let's see. Well, that one auto-focused pretty well this time. Exegor. Whatever. Execute. Grimer. Sneasel, Ventful, Gimbal, reverse hollow, and a Mewtwo non-hollow. That would have been a nice one to have a hollow Mewtwo. Dang, Mewtwo. Why weren't you a hollow? I remember the days when you came out. We're going to open this one side first before we do the other side. Oh, there we go. ripped well, this one. Now I'm getting the hang of it. Black border. Let's see, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. I should actually show you guys those things. Whoever wants it can have it. Because I don't do the virtual stuff. Yeah, it's like the same pack like I pulled earlier. Only difference is Electabuzz, reverse holo, and a holo Moltres. Legendary bird. I remember these ones used to be very hard to get back in the day. But nowadays, it's easy to get. I always like my Mewtwo's. Like my Mewtwo. Not Mewtwo's. Moltres. One of my favorite birds. Legend. All the first generation legend birds. I love. I actually like them. Compared to the newer ones. They're good. But I was always... oh, this one's giving me a pain in the butt now. Yeah. You see my facial reaction would be priceless. Oh my goodness. This could be, I should just put me fumbling through each one to open. White border. Come on. 1, 2, there's 3, there's 4. Nothing's going to be special in this one. Wishing there was. Wishing there was. And what's the reverse holo? Grimmsnail. Snarl. Whatever you want to call it that way. And the Phanpy. Not looking too good so far in the beginning of this Brilliant Stars booster box at all. Whoops. Making a mess in my room already. Already making a mess. Oh, there we go. That one ripped. But now I can't even pull it open. Oh, black border. Let's see. Let's see. Actually, I'll start showing these. Whoever wants them. I don't use them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go. Give me a good hit. Give me a good art one. Let's see. I like that Farfetch. Reverse holo, Gurlock, Gurlurk, and a Grand Bull. Never really liked this guy. You look like a weirdo. You look like a weirdo to me, and always. I don't know what people like about him. Garble. Garble. Grand Bull. It's a weird dog bird thing to me. Weird dude. I like the Farfetch running. Oh, so far we're not getting any pulls, good pulls yet. Not the ones you want. Oh, this one doesn't want to tear. I need to leave my nails longer to get these open faster. Let's see. Oh, white border. It's a white border. 1, 2, 3, 4. Who will we get? Get more top. Nose pass and a Urshifu VMAX Rapid Strike. I like ye. Trainer card and a non-holo. I like about these cards sometimes. These white cards, they give you some good trainer cards. That's pretty much all the white labels pretty much mean. You get trainer cards on that. That's all I can say. Trainer cards you get mostly. In those packs. Which are not bad, trainer packs. Some trainer packs are good. Some of them, if you get the nice valuable ones. Oh my goodness. There we go. Black border. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's going to be V-Star. V-Star. Propass. Chimchar. Let's go. XU. Nose pass. Got to evolve form in that. This guy always cracked me up how he's like always shivering and then get moving. So, oh, reverse hollow, RF hollow. It's a bird. Star Parks. So, and a rainbow card. Not bad. Rainbow girl. Don't get many rainbows. It's a rainbow. Not a Albi one though, but we'll see. Hopefully we get hits. Let's hope we get a good hit. I want a good hit. I want a really good one. I really want a good one. I need to get another webcam so my face is showing so you can see it. There we go. Yeah, I need to get another webcam. What works with the software I have. Oh shoot. Damaging the cards. Doing that myself. White border. Will we get a good trainer card in this one? Will we get a trainer card? Trainer card? Trainer cards? Any trainer cards? Trainer cards? Trainer cards. Let's see. Let's see. No, that's not it. Golett. Reverse hollow of a Clefairy. And a non-Wormodam, whatever you call it. Weird name. Ah, not looking so good. Ooh. Not looking too good. Not looking too good in this pack right now. Oh my goodness, I can't even open it. Some people, how they open this stuff, they must prepare beforehand. That's all I can assume. They're preparing beforehand. Getting everything all set up. There is it. 3, 4. Let's go. Yeah, they have to be Mexico. Let's see. Let's see. Well, trainer card, Zircon, and a non-hollow. Get this trainer card out, sleeved up, or hard cased up, because I do that to all mine. Alrighty, let's go. We're not even halfway through the box. This is going to be a 2-part video. And I said before in my last one, when I opened the Lost Origin one, I'll be giving a giveaway to people. If I hit followers or subscribers, wherever you want to call on here, we'll be giving away a 6-pack of the booster box, which I'm still waiting on getting. I have 5 of them come in, and if I hit my goal of certain subscribers I want on my page, I will give them the way. And I'll make a video about when I will be doing that. It'll be on September 30th, hopefully. And that day I'll be choosing a person to do it. So we're waiting on them. So if you do want to get into it, give a like and subscribe to my channel and leave a comment too if you want. Comments will be getting closer to the day if I get closer to my thing. If I hit my goal ahead of time, I will announce it. And while I'm talking, I can't even open this pack. There. Yeah, I will announce if I hit it or not on that day. If I do, leave a comment and all that. I will choose a person. You have to like it, like the video, subscribe, any of those ones, or leave a comment. You have to be subscribed to leave a comment. 2, 3, 4. That looks like a dinosaur to me. Will we get anything? What will we get? Will we get a full art? Farfetch. I like this one. Kind of wish this would be in a hollow. This is how it's going running. And a Sneasel as a reverse hollow. And a Dracofish. Not the ones I'm looking for, but I will take it. It's a nice card to my standard. So far, I got my Moltres, what I really like. Alrighty. This Brilliant Star Booster Box is not doing so well to me so far. It's like my Lost Origin one I was doing video of before this thing getting posted. One side did everything and the other side did nothing. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. To the front. There's a leaf energy. There we go. Got it in focus. Let's see. There's a Farfetch again. Duskull. And a Grimer. And a reverse hollow. Cherry Boo. Call him Cherry Boo Boo. And a hollow. Not bad, not bad, not bad. He's not a bad one at all. But not what I'm looking for. I hope I get him. I hope I do. I really do. I want a good one. Getting that Charizard alternate art would be awesome. Or even the rainbow one out of this box would be amazing. It would be amazing if I can. White border. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. To the front. And I'm probably going to do a live stream too one day. Is that supposed to be on that? That line? Can't remember. Yeah, I'll do a live stream one day on YouTube and on that. So, let's see. Let's see. Cast form. Chimchar. Exu. Nose Passy. Snort. Reverse Hollow. Dusknoir. And a non-hollow Wormapod. Not looking too good. Not looking too good yet. For cards I really want. Nothing the main value yet. As of right now, the box is worth more than the cards, I find. Of the hollows and all everything. Lucky I got a Moltres. I haven't got one of those yet. Out of this pack yet. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see. I have reverse hollow. It's weird how that little guy up here changes into a butterfly or a dragonfly. Burtball. And a Lapras non-hollow. Dang, dang, dang. Would have been nice getting a Lapras hollow too. Seems like today's not my lucky day. Today is not lucky day so far. How many more packs? 4 more packs on this one side, and this will be it for this part 1 of video. Part 2 will be released in a couple days then after this. This one side from Brilliant Stars is not treating me well. White label. Let's see if I can get a trainer art in this one. It's one thing I need is trainer art. Let's see, there's fire. Let's go, let's go. Whoa. Trap pinch. Hollow. Reverse hollow. And a heart run. So far, not lucky. Not lucky at all. Only 2 hollows and how many? Well, 2 hollows and 5. So far, 6 out of one side. 6 out of one side so far. Oh, now this one doesn't want to open again. There we go. Now, so far, the ones I got the best card out of everything was a Pokeball in the background I have. That was one of the best. I posted it right up. So if you want to take a look at it, go ahead. I'll even attach it to this video. It was the best one I got so far. And that was out of Evolving or I can't remember which one it was. Which one it came out of. Made my money back off that box set. Deenie, it's another like a... Let's go, and a non-hollow Libred. Dang, 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 dang. Not looking good for me today. This one side half is not looking good. Not looking good. Not looking good so far. One more pack on this one side. We'll see. Oh, black border. You know what? We're going to save this to last just in case. We'll open this one up in case it's not a hit. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. I'd rather save the hit one for last than... Oh, they're both hits. Okay, okay. Which one should I do first? I think I'll do this one first, since that's the last one of that side. Let's see. See if that last one on the side does well, or does this one do well? Let's see. Let's see. There's an Ultra Tread. Ah, come on. What reverse hollow do we get? Parshu. And what do we have? A hollow. For Emperor Lord. Lean, whatever you want to say it. Let's see if this one gives us an art form or something. The last one of this video. And then I'll be making a part 2 for the other half. Because I'm already at the maximum time limit. This card is all bad. This box was not the greatest. It was damaged up pretty well. Oh. B-Star in this one. B-Star. Okay, okay. Oh, yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, it's not focused. There we go. Barry, focused in. Burmy. Staryu. Curablast. Clefairy. Cherry Boo, Reverse Hollow, Suck, and a Shimmy. It's good, but not the cards I'm looking for. Nah. What can you do? Not all of them are hits. Right off the bat. Alright, let's look at my cards I got. Let me just put some sleeves on my hollows. Alrighty. Wait, no, why am I putting the hollows last? They go first. Not bad. Oh, 3 hollows. The best one I like is the Moltres the most. Because I've been trying to get a hold of him for a while. Oh, that's awkward. Having a blank card in between them all. Good cards. Nice ones, Trainer. It's not the ones I really want. But there's hope in the next half. And let's see. Let's see if the next one gives us a better half on that. Thank you for joining into this one video. I'll do part 2. Be posting in a couple days. If you like, give me a subscribe and give a like and a follow. Already said follow, didn't I? Give me a like and leave a comment if you want. And if I get to my goal by September 30th of getting a certain amount of followers or subscribers, which one do you want to call on here, I will give away a 6-pack booster box of Lost Origin, which is still coming in. It'll be in next week still. Taking their time getting here. Slow mode. So, keep tuned for that. Thank you for joining in. Have a good one.